In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alt text to an image in Gamma app, step by step. Alt text is important because it helps describe your image for accessibility, clarity, and better understanding when someone is viewing your project. If you create presentations, documents, or visual pages in Gamma, this is a simple detail that can make your content more polished and user-friendly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign into your Gamma account. If you're not signed in yet, use the account that contains the project you want to edit. After you log in, you'll be brought to your Gamma dashboard or home screen. Now, open the project that contains the image you want to update. This could be a presentation, a page, or any document where you've inserted an image. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you have multiple files saved in your account. Once the project is open, find the image you want to add alt text to and click on it. Clicking the image should highlight it or bring up editing controls around it. In Gamma, images usually have their own settings or options menu, so this is the first step to accessing the details for that image. Next, look for the image settings, the More Options menu, or any panel that appears after selecting the image. Depending on the layout you're using in Gamma, this may show up on the side, at the top, or in a small pop-up menu near the image itself. You're looking specifically for something labeled alt text, image description, or a similar accessibility option. If you see alt text, click into that field and type a short, clear description of the image. Keep it simple and descriptive. For example, if the image shows a laptop on a desk, you might type something like, laptop on a desk with a coffee cup beside it. The goal is to describe what the image shows, not to over-explain it. If Gamma gives you an image description field instead of a field specifically called alt text, use that area to enter the same kind of short description. In many cases, this will serve the same purpose and help make the image easier to understand. After you type your description, save the changes if Gamma shows a save button. If there isn't a save button, just click outside the image settings or close the menu, and Gamma should keep the update automatically. It's always a good idea to quickly check that the text stayed in place before moving on. And that's it. You've now added alt text to an image in Gamma app. This small step can make a big difference, especially for accessibility and for making your content more complete and professional. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.